Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all the students of class 6 here in online class of mathematics. Our today's topic is types of natural number, but before going to start our main topic, we will revise natural numbers. Yes, natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. Why? Because when you start counting anything, you start counting with 1, 2, 3, and so on. That is why if I ask you to count the number of notebooks you have, you start counting with 1 notebook, 2 notebook, 3 notebook, and so on. Therefore, n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on up to infinite. Infinite means uncountable. There are so many types of natural numbers which we will study in this video. The first one is even number. Second is odd number, third one is prime numbers, fourth one is composite numbers, and fifth one is perfect numbers. Prime numbers can further subdivided into three categories: co-prime numbers, twin primes, and prime triplets. So starts with number 1, even numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are known as even numbers, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. These all numbers are even numbers because these numbers are divisible by 2. Second number, odd number. Yes, odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2, or we can say those numbers which are not even are known as odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on up to infinite. Yes, the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers. Third one is prime numbers. If any number is having only two factors, the number 1 and itself, then those numbers are known as prime numbers. Means, let's have an example. 3. Tell me the factors of 3. Means, factor means by which the number 3 can be divided. 1 and 3. Only 1 and 3 are those numbers which can divide 3. Therefore, 3 is a prime number because 3 is having only two factors, 1 and the number itself. There can be so many prime numbers like 5. 5 is a natural number and the factors of 5 are 1 and 5 only. Therefore, 5 is also a prime number because 5 have only two factors. So, the definition of prime number we can also illustrate by doing this, that if a number having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, known as prime numbers. Now, prime numbers are further subcategorized into three category. Number 1, co-prime numbers. Any numbers, if they have only common factor 1, then that numbers are known as co-primes. Like 3 and 4. Common factors of 3 and 4. Only 1 is the common factor of 3 and 4. Therefore, 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers. Yes, in co-primes, it is not necessary that both the numbers should be prime numbers. In this example, 3 is a prime number but 4 is not a prime number. 4 is a composite number which we will study here. So, in the definition of co-primes, we don't need that both the numbers must be primes. Both numbers can be prime or cannot be prime, but the condition is that their common factor should be only 1. Except 1, there should be no common factors of both the numbers. So 3 and 4 is having only 1 as their common factor, therefore 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers. Now move on to second definition, twin primes. If both the numbers are prime, and the difference between both of the numbers is 2, then the numbers are known as twin primes. Like that, 3 and 5. 3 is a prime number because 3 has only two common factors, 1 and 3. 5 is a prime number because 1 is having only two factors, 1 and 5. And what is the difference between both numbers? 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. This is the difference. So, if the difference the difference between two prime numbers is equal to 2, then both prime numbers are known as twin primes. The last one is prime triplet. Yes, prime triplet, we have only one prime triplet, that is 3, 5 and 7. No other prime triplet we have other than 3, 5 and 7. And the definition of prime triplet is a set of three consecutive prime numbers. थ्री कॉन्जिक्यूटिव प्राइम नंबर्स. कॉन्जिक्यूटिव मीन्स जो एक के बाद एक नंबर आते हैं. जैसे 3 के बाद नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर 5 आता है और 5 के बाद नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर 7 आता है. सो दे आर कॉन्जिक्यूटिव. अ सेट ऑफ थ्री कॉन्जिक्यूटिव प्राइम नंबर्स whose difference is 2, then these numbers are known as prime triplet. The difference between 5 and 3 is 2 and the difference between 7 and 5 is 2. Therefore these numbers are known as prime triplets. So I hope guys you can understand the prime numbers and the types of prime numbers in details. Now we will study composite numbers. Numbers which are not prime numbers are known as composite numbers. Means numbers except prime numbers are known as composite numbers. Can you tell me few composite numbers? Before giving you any example, I want to share one more definition of composite numbers with you all. Composite numbers are those numbers which are having more than two factors. Yes, more than two factors. Prime numbers have only two factors and composite numbers are having more than two factors. Like 4. 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. How many these factors are? These are 3 factors. So they have more than 2 factors. Therefore 4 is a composite number. 6. 6 is also a composite number because the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So they have more than 2 factors. Therefore 4 and 6 are composite numbers. Perfect numbers. Perfect numbers you can understand with the help of an example. Tell me the factors of 6. Yes, we have already written 1, 2, 3 and 6. Find the sum of the factors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. It is equal to 12. Now, what is the difference between the 6 and the 12? Can you observe the difference? Or can you find any relation between 6 and 12? Yes, 12 is just twice of 6. So the definition of perfect numbers is if the sum of the factors of a number, I am repeating, if the sum of the factors of a number is equal to twice means multiply by 2, is equal to twice of the number, then the number is called a perfect number. Therefore 6 is a perfect number because the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6, and when we find the sum of the factors it is equal to 12 and this sum is equal to twice of that number. Therefore 6 is a perfect number. I hope guys you can understand the types of natural numbers through this video, and I observe that you can find so many new numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, perfect numbers, co-primes, twin primes and prime triplets. So keep on finding new numbers and categorize them as given in the video. Thank you.